Welcome back. For reasons I don't know, nobody will ever know, I decided to combine some random hieroglyphs. So this is L5, D51 and D32, which is a centipede, a horizontal finger, and arms in an embrace. And it's funny, I've just googled it. So the centipede is like Sepa, or at least associated with a god Sepa. And there's something in the Book of the Dead that says, I am Anubis on the day of the centipede. I am the bull who presides over the field. Because they saw that insects sort of fed on dead bodies, but centipedes fed on insects. So they said they protected the dead. And Sepa had power over venomous animals and was sometimes given the head of a donkey. So the one finger, horizontal, could be nt, which is fingernail. But it could also mean to measure, which might be something like Hajj, embrace the measurement of the centipede. Anyhow, what we have here is an A4 image of what looks a bit like a pool of water, but with like a sunny eye in the middle. Something blue, flowerish emanating from that. That's two parts. And then two circular objects beaming light into, I think. I don't think it's the other way around. This centre water. On the left-hand side of the pool is some creature that I can't quite work out what it is. It's blue, it's definitely not a centipede. I'm not sure if it's looking in the waters or protecting it. And there is something on the other side, but it just looks like it's leaning back, exposing its neck. I'm wondering if these two circles are representing like the rising and the setting sun, or the morning and even star, or both. I kind of see a figure in the middle there. It looks a bit like a candle to me. And even though these are two parts of like a blue flower, it looks a bit like, at least the one on the right looks a bit like a person to me. It's talking to this bit on the left, although flowers don't talk to each other as far as I know. So that bit on the left looks a bit like a rose. It also looks quite sexual. What a surprise. So I really like this random image of Sepa and his fingers and whatever. I like it that it shows something that looks less chaotic than what I usually draw. And it's something that I feel like I could stare at for quite a while and sort of get lost in. Thanks for listening.